Hi, I'm Catherine with the Old Country Porch, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute burlap bunny banners for Easter. First, to make the pendant template, I'm going to fold a piece of cardstock in half. I want the pendants to be 8 inches wide by 9 inches long, so I'm going to mark 4 inches and 9 inches, and that will give me the right size for the bunnies. Then you just want to cut out your burlap pendants. You can cut these individually with scissors, or if you have a fabric cutting tool, you can cut them all together. I'm cutting 5 pieces for my banner, but you can make these as long or as short as you'd like. Now I'm going to take that same cardstock template to make my bunny stencil. I'm using the same bunny silhouette that I used for my burlap pillows. You can draw your own bunny shape or find one online that you like. Then I'm going to cut him out and you'll have your stencil. I'm going to use 5 different colors for my banner, and I really like pale pastel colors for Easter. I always have a hard time finding the shades I'm looking for, so I just mix up my own pastel shades. Just add a little bit of color to your white paint and you'll end up with these perfect shades that are so pretty for Easter. Then I'm going to use one of the sponge brushes to apply the paint. You just want to be careful to blot the excess paint off before you start painting, because the edges will bleed if you have too much paint on the sponge. Once you finish the first color, you can put that aside to dry, and you'll want to wipe all the paint off the stencil before you start your next color. Make sure you flip the stencil over to get the paint off the back as well. And you'll have to do this between each paint color. I think sponge painting is one of the most relaxing crafts I've tried. I could seriously do this for hours. After you get everything painted, you'll want to wait until they are completely dry to finish the banner. Before we add the tails, I'm going to go ahead and add the string. I like to leave about 3 feet of string on both sides of the banner, so I know I'll always have enough to hang it where I want. And you can always cut any extra string off later. And you just want to make sure you're spacing them evenly. I'm using hot glue for this banner, which works great if you're making these for yourself. But if you're making these to sell, I recommend sewing the pendants on the string. I show you how to do that in my candy corn banner video. You should also use Mod Podge to seal the edges so they don't unravel if you're making these to sell them. But you don't need to worry about that if you're just making these for yourself. The last step is gluing on your little bunny tails. A little bit of hot glue is all you need for these. Then you'll just have to decide where to hang it. If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.